Have you ever looked at your apartment and thought, you know what this needs? Wheels. Well, buckle up, because today we're talking about a tiny house so fancy, my neighbor Dave thought it was a boutique hotel when I showed him pictures. It's the Vista from Dragon Tiny Homes. Fully upgraded, completely legal, and way better than Dave's basement man cave, which smells suspiciously like regret and old cheese. Before we dive deeper than your friend Carl during a hot tub cannonball, make sure you subscribe to Camp Avto, where we take tiny living very seriously, and jokes not so much. Hit that button, ring the bell, and let's roll. Now, the Vista ain't just your average shoebox on wheels. This thing is 24 feet, 7.3 meters of rolling glory, handcrafted by the folks at Dragon Tiny Homes in Georgia. Let's start with the double-sided kitchen. Yes, double-sided, because apparently one wall of cabinets wasn't enough luxury. It's got a full-size farmhouse sink, quartz countertops, a full-size fridge, and even a washing machine. I believe they basically took a chef's kitchen, shrunk it, and gave it a better personality. Now, I think my favorite upgrade is the pine-lined interior. It's cozy without screaming, I live in a cabin because I lost a bet. The soft beige tones, pastel walls, and natural textures make it feel like a Scandinavian spa, not a plywood box on wheels. And trust me, after spending a weekend in my friend Todd's DIY camper, where I slept next to a gas can, this was a revelation. Climb the staircase. Yes, a real staircase with built-in storage. And you'll reach the queen bed loft with elegant slatted railings. In the middle of the house, there's a fireplace, because why not? Throw in a picture window the size of your future regrets, and a couch, and boom, instant lounge. And then there's the fully tiled bathroom, which includes a real vanity, a proper toilet, and a shower big enough to do jumping jacks in, though we don't recommend it. Exterior, classy. It's got dual-tone customizable cladding, hardy board siding, and enough insulation to keep you cozy through every bad life decision that led you to live in 200 square feet. It's built with ethically sourced wood, energy-efficient insulation, a propane instant water heater, and LVP flooring, which sounds like a rap group but actually just means it's durable and spill-proof. It starts at $100,675 USD, about 93,000 euros, which, sure, is a chunk of change, but you get a high-end studio apartment that you can park in your in-laws' driveway and avoid Sunday dinners.